Duplex Printing, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating aspect of printing technology, duplex printing. Whether you're printing at home, school, or work, understanding this concept can be incredibly useful. Let's dive into what duplex printing means and how it works. Duplex printing is the ability of a printer to print on both sides of a sheet of paper. This contrasts with simplex printing, where printing occurs on only one side. Duplex printing can be done in two ways, manual and automatic. In manual duplex printing, you need to physically reinsert the paper into the printer to print on the other side. It requires attention to the orientation of the paper to ensure the correct side is printed. On the other hand, automatic duplex printing is more convenient. Printers with this feature automatically print on both sides of the paper without manual intervention, saving time and effort. There are several benefits to using duplex printing. Firstly, it saves paper, which is not only economical but also environmentally friendly. It reduces clutter and makes documents easier to handle, especially for multi-page reports or books. Duplex printing also offers a professional appearance to documents, which is great for business or academic settings. To use duplex printing, first, check if your printer supports this feature. You can usually find this information in the printer's manual or online specifications. If your printer supports automatic duplex printing, select the Print on Both Sides option in the print settings on your computer. For manual duplex printing, print the odd pages first, reinsert the paper, and then print the even pages. I hope this video clarifies what duplex printing is and how you can use it effectively. Remember, whether it's for saving paper or for a professional look, duplex printing is a skill worth mastering. Happy printing, and see you in our next video.